Hello everyone, it's very raining here where I live. It's a thunderstorm coming very soon and I'll keep you updated. Started raining extremely hard. Oh, it's getting loud now. Look how aggressive the sky looks. It's very dark up there, doesn't it? Keep you updated. Still very wet out here. Oh, there's a bit of thunder. Keep you updated. A bit more thunderstorm. I'm going to step back because I get a bit wet. Okay, keep you updated. Hello everyone, it's 11:30 at night time and it woke me up and it's massive thunderstorms outside at the moment. I mean, look at this. This is the latest I've ever done a video before, but I hope it will calm down soon and I'll update you. Still very thundery out there, but we'll see. Oh wow, do you see that? You can see my whole garden then. Keep you updated, and it looks like it's raining hard now. And it's getting very windy. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Thank you, bye.